Greeting to all. My name is Vikram Nirgatti. I am from Harmonizer Solutions. Introduction to the machine learning. I would like to discuss here about a brief introduction to the machine learning. My name is Vikram Nirgatti, and about a brief introduction of Harmonizer. Harmonizer is a knowledge-driven organization promoted by technocrats, global experts in power quality, energy efficiency, IoT, machine learning, AI, and online trainings. With operations in Canada, UAE, and India, we strive to provide knowledge driven solutions to academic and industry. With few patents from our global experts, we are able to serve customers with great degree of quality and performance. Global experts from Harmonizer are able to share their domain knowledge on various topics amalgamated with academia, industrial applications, and case studies. This is only the company where we serving for both academic and the industry. Coming to the introduction to the machine learning, we will see what, why, how, and course content and what algorithms we will discuss in this machine learning course. What is machine learning? So, machine learning is an application of AI which provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is a scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use to perform a specific task without using explicit instructions, relying on patterns and inference instead. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. So, as MI is a subset of AI, what is AI? AI is a machines think like humans. With artificial intelligence concepts, the machines has the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. Generally, human being has natural intelligence. The same kind of natural intelligence need to develop in a missions. That is called a mission. Sorry, that is called a artificial intelligence. So, machine learning is useful to develop the artificial intelligence for the missions. So, why we need to go for this machine learning? With the machine learning concept, we have vast applications almost in each and every fields. Some of the applications are like natural signals, human speech, natural sound, language, image, and etc. and virtual personal assistants in Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants. By using the natural language processing, we can use the machine learning here to improvise the virtual personal assistants. In medical diagnosis, early detection of the diseases, and prescription of the remote monitoring and prescribing the medicine to the patients, speech recognitions in various languages apart from English, depending upon the user requirement, data is retrieved from WADs, warehouses, and databases, and particular to customer individual, the product will be recommended, and recognizing the black and white images to recognize who is the person or what is the object. Like this, we have many applications with machine learning algorithms. This all things will be recognized by the machine automatically without explicitly programmed by human beings, without human interventions. This is the main thing. Automatically, the machine will recognize the objects and automatically the machine will think like a human being with the help of machine learning algorithms and machine learning concepts. So how we can write the machine learning algorithms and how we can develop the machine learning products means with the help of the powerful programming languages Python and the R. In our training sessions, we used to provide the hands-on sessions on machine learning algorithms by using the programming languages Python and the R. So this is the tentative course content which we will cover under the machine learning course. We will discuss all the concepts of the statistics, classification algorithms, regression algorithms, supervised learning concepts, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and sentiment analysis things, and hybrid learning. This all algorithms will be implemented in Python and R programming language and discussed hands-on with these programming languages. So who can be a participant? Who can learn the machine learning means students who pursuing their degree or intermediate or bachelor's, master's, PhDs, and a fresher who looking for a job or experienced job holders. Right now, many job holders need to learn the AI and machine learning concepts. Nowadays, industry whole is concentrating on AI based applications and machine learning based applications. That's why it's necessary to learn machine learning, the experienced persons as well. And R&D development, the guys who are working in R&D, and entrepreneurs, those who want to start a new company, and any individual who can interest to learn the machine learning, they can enroll the concepts, this course. So how you can enroll? You can enroll in this URL courses.harmonizesolutions.com. You will find the various courses over there. All courses are certified and delivered by the experts in the industries. Still you have any queries, any questions, please free to contact us through email to the Harmonizer with the help of the mail info@harmonizesolutions.com. Thank you.